What happens when a 1967 motorhome meets a Vortec V8 from a 2003 van? You get a vintage RV with more torque than my neighbor Dave's fishing stories. And that's saying something. Ladies and gentlemen, before we dive into specs, hit that subscribe button to join Camp Afto's journey, because nothing says epic like a 1967 Flxible motorhome powered by a Vortec V8. We present the Vortec-powered 1967 Chevrolet P20 Flxible Motorhome, a breathtaking restoration that blends vintage charm with modern muscle. Built on a Chevrolet P20 chassis by Flxible Southern of Evergreen, Alabama, this RV was entirely refurbished in 2022 to 2025. Under the hood now sits a 6.0-liter Vortec V8 engine paired with a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission from a 2003 Chevrolet Express van, offering smooth highway performance and reliable power. The body was stripped to bare aluminum and painted with glossy green trim, followed by a ceramic coating. Living amenities include maple-paneled walls, LED lighting, rubber vinyl flooring, a dinette that converts to a bed, a bathroom with cassette toilet and shower, a galley with sink, cooktop, refrigerator, microwave oven, air conditioner, and furnace. The rig includes a 40-gallon, 151-liter fresh water tank, gray tank, hot water heater, and utility hookups. Chassis upgrades comprise heavy-duty 20-inch alloy wheels with 275/65 Goodyear Wrangler tires, Hydrovac 4-wheel drum brakes, power steering, sway bar, and suspension bushings. Extras include a 3.6-kilowatt Li-Fan inverter generator, carefree awning, build documentation, spare wheels, and Zip-D chairs. Estimated mileage under current ownership is approximately 1,000 miles, with true total unknown. Recently sold for $38,650, approximately 35,000 euros, on June 19, 2025. We think the most impressive detail is the seamless integration of modern V8 performance into a classic Flxible motorhome shell, delivering highway confidence with retro appeal. I liked the most the blend of luxury amenities and rugged mechanics, encapsulating both form and function. Catch you next episode, legends!